Hi, today I will be walking through the DFC 500. This is a cordless domino machine that allows you to make mortises for tendons ranging from 4mm to 10mm. Like all our other cordless tools, this comes as a basic unit. Here we have the off and on switch next to the battery slot, and if you were to put on a battery when the switch was on, it wouldn't turn on for your safety. The extractor connector is located here on the side. And up here on the right column, we have a height scale. If we take a look at the other side, we have a gauge block. This allows you to set the fence to the thickness of the stock that you're working with. Behind that is a router depth locking lever, and this allows you to set the depth of the mortise based on the tenon and the bit you are using. Up top, we have the rotary switch that allows you to adjust the width of the mortise for a tight or a looser fit. Across from that, we have the guide frame unlock, and this allows you to remove the fence from the motor. Here we have the spindle lock, and this allows you to be able to change out the bit. If we take a look at the side of the fence, we have two levers that allow you to set the fence to the height and the angle of your choosing. On this side, we have the angle stop lever, and on this side, we have the height clamp lever. If we take a look at the bottom of the fence, there is 4 pins spaced out between 22 and 37mm. This allows you to quickly reference and create multiple mortises. If we take a look at the back side, we have etched out lines that help you for reference. The DFC comes with a support bracket and an imperial scale. To find out more, click on the link below or visit us online.